AI impact on jobs. Jobs that are in danger due to AI. Yes, certain jobs are at risk of being automated or replaced by AI, particularly tasks that involve routine and repetitive activities. And some examples include data entry clerks. Automation can handle data input and basic processing more efficiently than humans. Telemarketers, AI-powered chatbots, and automated calling systems can replace the need for human telemarketers. Cashiers, self-checkout systems, and automated kiosks reduce the demand for human cashiers. Routine customer service representatives, AI-powered chatbots can handle basic customer inquiries and support. Truck drivers, autonomous vehicles may impact the demand for human truck drivers in the future. Which jobs will never be replaced by AI? Jobs that involve complex human emotions, creativity, empathy, nuanced decision making, and high levels of interpersonal interaction are less likely to be fully replaced by AI. Psychologists and counselors, providing emotional support, therapy, and counseling requires a deep understanding of human emotions and personal interactions. Teachers and educators play a crucial role in imparting knowledge, critical thinking, and social skills which are difficult for AI to replicate. Artists and creatives, fields like fine arts, writing novels, composing music, and creating visual art rely heavily on human creativity and expression. Healthcare professionals, doctors, nurses, and other medical professionals require complex decision-making, empathy, and interpersonal skills when treating patients. Human resources managers, managing employee relations, conflict resolution, and strategic human capital decisions require a human touch. Creative designers. It's important to note that while these jobs might be impacted, new opportunities will arise as AI creates demand for jobs related to AI development, maintenance, data analysis, and creative fields that require human ingenuity and emotional intelligence. To know more about jobs that are in demand in future due to AI, watch the part 2. Adaptation and continuous learning will be key for individuals to thrive in a changing job landscape.